Alright, y'all. Need this to look a little better. I didn't do this side yet, but I did a little bit of this side. It's coming right off. But also, my grit is very worn out, so I might need to change it, but I'm gonna use it for as long as I can until it like fully gives out. Yo, I'm covered in sawdust. But this is the progress I got so far. I got this, it's the wood's actually showing, which is beautiful. This is the color that was painted over it, and I really wasn't a fan. So just look at that. Look at that beautiful wood showing through. Starting to hit the sides. Getting that wood to show. Getting all that old paint off. Look at that. Starting to show its real beauty. So here's day 2. I'm not quite done yet, but here's the progress so far. I mean, there's still some sunlight. As long as there's sunlight, then I'm feeling alright. I could do this. Alright, yeah, that's how it's looking. Ah! I'm gonna take a video of Dave.